Angela, please find here a bag. Where is a bag? Wonderful. Now please put this bag in the box. Put this bag in the box. Okay, very good. Put this bag on your head. Wonderful. Put it under the chair. Under the chair. Very good. Okay, come back and sit down. Find here a kite. Where is a kite? Where is a kite? Please put this kite on a desk. On a desk. On a desk. Very good. Now please put it on the floor. On the floor. On the floor. Floor. Okay. Put it under the chair. Under the chair. Under the chair. Well done. Hurry now, please. Put it on your head. Now, please put the kite in the box. Put the kite in the box. In. In. Very good. Come back and sit down, please.